before thrusting his arm, sending the bolt of energy to explode straight down the middle. As expanding as they would reach their victims, Trunks, Goku, and Vegeta would then find themselves each dealing with their own separate energy attack to handle. Each feeling like individual final flashes, as all three Saiyans would then be blasted being pushed back enough to slam straight through this. But with one Son Goku to travel by itself to eventually self-destruct, leaving a satisfied Lucif to land on the ground. And as he would observe his work, he would only be thinking of the impending merger of Demon Realm and Mortal Realm. As with seemingly a countdown in his mind, he would introspect, not long left. Not long until finally
that god-forsaken land of the Demon Realm will no longer exist. All will be one, and my power of the Omni King will combine with that of the Devil's Tomb. The beginning of the end for those elder gods, but the end of a long journey for me to my path.
But as Lucif would get carried away, right in front of him, a certain Saiyan would emerge. As with super speed, running at a pace that no human mind could simply comprehend, Son Goku would blast forward, already right at Lucif's chest, but from the Omni King's expression, he couldn't care less. That is until Kamehameha.
So that's your game, Son Goku.
With some excitement back in his veins, Lucif would finally make a move, gripping his fist tightly until launching a fist. With instant transmission yet again and no hand signs, Goku would vanish. Now instantly coming in with a slide, and his body crouched down, but with his Kamehameha wave continuing to increase in concentration.
Where the hell is he going?
But as Lucif would look down, his sights would be almost on the floor. Right here! As unbelievably, in that swift slide, Goku had now transitioned to slipping completely onto his backside and going straight through the legs of the giant Lucif. Now at his backside before Smite! Right below Lucif, in the most unexpected of positions, Goku would unleash his Kamehameha Smite, the same Sparta. You! How dare! But as Lucif's anger would build, it would only take a moment for the Archangel's assault to land, and the Omni King to be sent straight up into the sky uncontrollably, just as he had done to the three God Killers moments before.